The Pareto diagram is a very simple concept that helps you and your company in decision making. With this, you and your team will have a better interpretation about each case, besides realizing solutions in a more efficient way. It can be used in the most diverse areas within organizations and in all segments. The Pareto chart is a type of column chart that sorts numbers in descending order to prioritize the most frequent problems. It is one of the main tools when we talk about quality in an organization. The Pareto principle, better known as the 20-80 rule, tells us that 20% of the main causes are responsible for 80% of the problems in an organization. That is, if we solve the top 20%, we end up with a good part of the problems. This spreadsheet is indicated for those who wish to have better quality management. It can be used in the most diverse areas within organizations and in all segments. The spreadsheet automatically generates a report of the items with all their details sorted in descending order. You can draw up action plans to solve problems and boost actions that are being carried out correctly. This way, you will be able to correct problems in your organization, saving time and effort. The spreadsheet contains data such as identifies the most significant factors, shows where we should focus our efforts, allows the best use of limited resources, item reports with all their details sorted, complete dashboard of the most important data. This was our Worksheet Pareto diagram. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.